Tighten up my drag. You ready, buddy? That's
not
still
too
pretty
dark.
chrome.
Yeah.
Oh my God, those are so pretty. Okay, that was unexpected. I'm back for Chum Salmon Fishing Redemption. I just hooked a chum right in front of me. This guy's powerful, dude. Oh no. He's running. Ah, this is what I came for. Oh. Good morning. Today we are going chum salmon fly fishing again. Small river, lower mainland, BC. Let's see if we can do things a little more right today. Because I learned since last time, float fishing for chum with flies, kind of dumb. Okay, I'm back for Chum Salmon Fishing Redemption. And there are 10 times more fish in the river. Fishing differently today because last time I was not doing anything right. I have since learned. So I'm walking through the deeper part of the run under the bridge here, just to try to avoid spawning habitat. There's not any loose gravel under me, it's big rocks. There's so many fish here. Fish right here. Literally hundreds of fish over there in 1 foot of water. Sorry guys, I'm trying to go to a deeper spot so I don't have to fish for you. Look at all these spawned out fish. There's a dozen just right here. It smells awful. There's a run off of this bend here, deeper water, where I'm gonna try to target some chum. Now I'm not great at salmon fishing. I started last year, I caught 1 fish. It was a late season coho. And I'm also not very good at streamer fishing. I don't think I've ever caught a trout on like a streamer. So this is a bit new for me. So I'm trying to kind of swing in to the edge first and then later I'll swing through the middle. In terms of retrieves, just trying to see what might work. Short strips, long strips. I just fin hooked a fish that decided to swim by on my retrieve. Come on, dude. Oh, no, buddy, I'm sorry. I did not. Sorry, guys. I hope you could tell from watching, I was not trying to fin hook a fish. You know what? I'm just going to loosen it up a little bit, get on the reel. Tighten up my drag. This is not how I wanted to catch my chum. This guy's powerful, dude. I am a little bit afraid I'm gonna have to get him in to net him, to unhook this. Oh, and he's in a whole bunch of sticks, so that's fun. I am shocked that this is holding up right now. How deep is this? Can I get over here? Yeah, this will make my life easier. Oh, it's a little bit deep. Oh, it's a little bit deep. Oh yeah, you're stuck behind a branch, buddy. Well done. It's not this tree. Sorry guys, this is a mission right now. Let that tree go. Ruin someone else's day. Whew. Okay, let's shallow it up. Our poor fish is doing a nosedive. Okay. I'm sorry, that went right through. You ready, buddy? I'll face you upstream. Yeah, you're on your way out anyway. I'm pretty sure you've spawned out. You wanna go? I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, guys. Not how I wanted to catch my first chum or my first salmon this year, but at least it was a spawned out fish. And all of that, after I pulled the hook out, I lost my fly, so that's fun. I'm gonna throw something big and gaudy, but also natural looking. Because literally it takes about 5 seconds and there's fish just right in front of me right now. Crazy. I don't want to spend too much time down here today. I want to go upstream, and there's a really nice looking pool. Sorry, fish. That I stopped at last time and didn't get to fish. I want to see if I can get in there today. You know, the other thing I was thinking about doing this morning was a hike up to a small kind of alpine lake, I guess, that's pretty shallow, and see if there's any fish in it. Unfortunately, I found a BC Parks brochure that was almost 20 years old that said there were no fish in this lake. But I think it's possible there's small fish there. So I'm gonna try to convince my wife and dogs to go and hike that, film some of it, and maybe see what's up in the future. So I was watching like survival videos on YouTube all week, and I was just really in the mood to do some hiking, filming, B-roll, do a little fishing, but I didn't really care if I caught fish. Also, the allure of fishing for salmon and maybe actually hooking one is too great. So let's see if we can get it done. Look at this, guys. Look at these fish. They're just so many spawning fish. It's so cool. So there's a spot further up here that I didn't get to try last time I was fishing this system. And whether or not there's other people over there, unless it's packed, but there's not many cars where I parked, I'm gonna give it a solid go. We're almost to the bend. I think I have to cross the river to get there. We'll see. Man, this is a beautiful morning to get out. They're forecasting a bunch of rain, but we did not get a bunch of rain. But it's coming this week, so hopefully I'll see some of you guys on the Capilano in not too long of a time. Yeah, I think I just have to cross. Sorry, fish. How's it going?
Good. I'm on your Discord.
Oh, no way.
Yes.
Awesome.
Nice to finally meet you.
Oh, you as well. Did I see you just caught yourself a little chum?
Yep.
Nice. It didn't look that little at all.
That's pretty good little doe.
You mind if I go look
Absolutely.
at it? Sweet. Oh, that's a beautiful fish, actually.
Yeah.
That's
not
still
too
pretty
dark.
chrome.
Yeah.
Nice. So did she have a roe? Yeah. Nice. That's really pretty color. I heard that they have the best roe. Oh, that's beautiful. It literally looks like out of Finding Nemo. Like they're so like fluorescent and uniform. That's cool. Well, congratulations on your fish, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, dude. Thank you very much. I will need it. Fucking dead fish and sticks. That's it. This might be a trout. Oh, okay. That was unexpected. That's a beautiful little rainbow. He took this thing. I can't believe he took this thing. What a goof. I love catching me a nice trout. What a beautiful fish. Not hatchery. Nice wild. Let's do an underwater release on him, guys. Cool, cool. Let's go. Well, I just cast it into the far side of that riffle there, so I think we're gonna do that again. I think that's the first trout I've caught properly on a streamer. So that's also cool, because I was talking about that earlier. Oh, I like catching fish. I like catching fish, and I really like trout, and I just hooked a branch. As soon as that hit the water, and I did a strip, that trout smacked it. Kind of reminds me when I was on the Vetter a few weeks back, and Jacob was jigging and he caught a bull trout like right off the ledge while fishing for Chinook. So just so you guys know, that guy who caught a beautiful fish, beautiful doe with those very pretty eggs, he's in my Discord. I have a fly fishing Discord that all fishers are welcome to, and we just hang out, we chat fishing, we chat fishing reports, trying to build a nice, supportive group of people who want to help each other out, catch more fish, maybe check out some new spots, make fun of fishing memes and some of the fishing culture a little bit, and generally just have a good time. So if you guys are into that kind of thing, I have a link to that Discord in the description down below of this video, and I would love it if you guys want to come check it out. No pressure either way. Love to see you in there. I just hooked a chum right in front of me and it came off. To be honest, I might have kind of flossed that fish. Not really intentionally, but I think I probably did. Because he was turning and going upstream, and the pink fly was like right in front of him, and he opened his mouth for it. And I think I did a little bit of an early strip set that kind of flossed him in the side of the mouth, instead of him actually like fully biting down on it. I think his mouth was just open, and I kind of subconsciously took advantage of that fact and stripped the fly right into his mouth. So yeah, not upset that he fell off. I don't think that was deserved. I think I got one in the mouth. Okay, okay. So he's going slow, but he's pretty hot. Oh no. He's running. I might cross you, sorry. Woo! He's way hotter than I thought. Hook this guy good. He is shaking. Tire yourself out, buddy. This is a nice barbless hook from Pacific Angler. This is what I came for. I'm glad I tied some good knots today, though, I'll tell you. I think I might lose him. Nope. This way. This way. Holy. Whew. How do you tell if a fish is good enough to eat? I'm not sure that I know. Yeah, he looks pretty colored up, right?
Do you see if it's got a white belly?
Yeah, he's not white.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. I honestly don't know. I didn't actually plan on having to worry about keeping one, so. You got some teeth on you, buddy. That's a big old fish. Nice fish. Thank you, Pacific Angler. I appreciate your service. That's a good way to finish the video, guys. Nice proper chum in the mouth. I can do this. I can catch salmon. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it. It means a lot. I make a couple cents if you watch through the whole video. So that's fun too. Why are you coming at me like that, salmon?